Okay, you're 18 years old. You're young-ish. You wear decent, okay shirts. I don't know. You're overweight. This is not the pep talk I'm looking for. Confidence. You can do this. You can do this. You have several interviews lined up. Probably not going to get all of them though. This is not going as well as I planned. Fuck. Oh. Look, you can get the job. You can get the job. Just believe, alright? Believe. You're gonna get a job. You're gonna get money. Move out of your parents' house. Hopefully. It's the goal, right? Yeah, that's what we're doing. Looking to get out. This is not as good as I thought. Oh my god, this is just the shittiest.